What's going on, fellers, fellettes, and whatever else you may call your thing? I got the contraption running pretty good. Today we're going to take it out and do some spring hopping. So let's get straight to it. Alright, fellers and fellettes, we've made it to a sketchy ramp. We're going to get this thing in the water and see how it goes. Let me not forget the key.
Yeah, hold on. I said hold on. Okay, hold on. Oh, look.
It's cold, yeah.
Holy shit. Oh.
Alright, we made it in the water. I said, alright, we made it in the water. Besides them. So warm up a little bit and we'll head on our way. Here's the old Bob's River place, now abandoned because he is sadly passed away. Used to be a lot of what you want to call fun here, but it was quite dangerous. Lots of incidents have occurred and type crap. Very interesting place though. Used to be pretty cool in its prime. Big rope swing and crap. Yeah, I don't know how they did when the water level was this low, but whatever. Onwards to the spring. Here we are at our first spring, and my camera mount ain't doing so well. The wind just pushes it backwards. So it's pretty shallow up in this biatch. I don't know if it got shallower since the last time we were here, but I was able to make it up in here fine last time. And so was a freaking like 20-foot pontoon boat with a 300 Yamaha on it. So if he can make it, I should be able to. You remember this sign from last year? From our first ever river run video? You go and watch that if you haven't. The sign was literally underwater right here. All we could read was in memory of the mayor of, and the rest of it was under Blackwater. Well, look, it's nice and clear now. And I'm not even turning up sand. It is fish up here. I'm running over a tree. Hopefully I don't hit it. Nope. Gucci. There is not a soul back here so far that I can see. Nope, ain't nobody back here. You need to use the fork, John.
See, last time,
Oh,
the big boat
yeah.
went over that rope, so I could go up there and get recorded.
Last time we were here, this buoy marker was so far underwater that we could go over it without trimming the engine up in my dad's bay boat. And his boat drafts more than this thing does. It was crazy last time. It's crystal clear. It's more than ankle deep. It got up to my nuts. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's about up to my nuts. There's a big hole right here that's gushing water, and then there's an even bigger hole just beyond the buoy line. Getting shallow. There's a big hole in there. You see that dark blue area. And then you get this one right there. That's Rock Bluff Springs for you. What's up? Alright guys, we've made it to our second spring, which was quite a hike from where we launched. Ran out of fuel once the fuel line came off. Now we're here at Hart Springs, which I'm not entirely sure that you're allowed to take a boat back in, but we're about to find out. I didn't see any signs that said I can't do this. There's a buoy marker. That's as far as we can go with the boat. We'll have to walk. $3. We have to pay $3. So we can't go into the park unless we have a report. Okay, well, I guess our journey ends here. It's not on this side. You were so excited to swim. You got one time. Poor Boo got in that one. Voter exclusion zone. Yeah. Alright, well, that's pretty cool. Too bad the river's not higher. Everything's so low. We tried to go to another spring that's north of here, but freaking it was mud. It was mud. Alright guys, well, thanks for joining us on our spring hopping adventure in the contraption today. We'll catch you back at the ramp. Hopefully this thing don't break down or bust the hull out of it. It's thick. We'll see. We'll do a fine 23 miles an hour upriver back to the ramp. We'll catch you in like an hour or two. See you later. Alright y'all, we made it back. The boat didn't break down or nothing. The hull didn't rip apart, which is what I'm fully expecting the thing to do when I hit a big wave. But we we got it loaded and we're on our way back. I am sunburnt as shit and it don't feel good, but we have fun. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I know I haven't uploaded in a little while, but go back and watch the past videos. Comment if you have any suggestions for anything, and let me know what I can do better or what you want to see next. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.